What's going on, everybody? Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and do I have something to show you? As much as I wish I could say this car is mine, it is not. It belongs to Vaughn Gittin Jr., professional fun haver, president of RTR Vehicles, and my boss. And it is going to be joining me as I travel across the country for the Mustang Unleashed Tour. The Mustang Unleashed Tour offers 2024 Mustang owners the chance to experience everything that is Mustang. At certain events, you'll get a chance to do drift ride-alongs, learn your line lock, get some special gifts along the way, or you'll be able to join other Mustang enthusiasts on cruises through the best roads this country has to offer. And that's where I come in. This weekend in specific, I'm gonna be up in Austin for Psych Fest. And I gotta hit the road because it starts now. Country of Austin, Texas with some fantastic 2024 owners. Now we're here at Psych Fest with Ford and Mustang Unleashed, and it's time to party.